Hello, I'm Peter Baker from VoiceOverMasterclass.com, and in this tutorial, I'll show you, fellow professional voice artist, how you can boost your income by impressing more new clients by email, including how to embed eye-catching video on your cold emailing messages to make them red hot. Now, as you know, no matter how many pay-to-play sites you've subscribed to, the lion's share of your work will come from direct clients who you've made the effort to make a direct connection to, who you've impressed with your demos, your professionalism. These are the contacts you'll get booked work from without having to compete with many other pesky voiceovers who, of course, aren't as good as you. So we need to regularly email potential new clients to introduce ourselves. You do this not just to grow your income, but to replace older clients who may move on or work in different areas. So, two things here. Fact number one, you could live to 1,000 years and never run out of potential clients to email. There are so many production companies, solo producers, agencies, and localization organizations in the world who need English voiceovers. No worry there. Fact two, unfortunately, many other voice artists will also be emailing to these people saying hello. So your cold email has to be professional and it has to stand out. First, you need to make the email short. Do not ramble on. If you've subscribed to my VoiceOver Success program, you'll already have the done-for-you email template file. So adapt these templates to personalize, but don't add more when it's not needed. You want potential new clients to listen to your voice as soon as possible and not read through lists of awards and conferences you've been to. Actually, as an aside, most clients won't care about any awards you've done. Sorry about that if you've just won something recently. On my own website, I don't mention any of my awards, do I? I don't bother. You see, people just want the right voice for their project. Honestly, it's true. I've heard this many times from clients. Your voice may have been right for that particular project you got a golden gong for or whatever, but this is no use at all to what the client is seeking. Sure, it says you're a professional and you've been in the business a while. That's great, but don't show off. Okay, back to the main script. Second, make sure your contact details are clear on the email. Your website link should be clickable, of course, and check it. State your Source Connect name if you have a subscription, also a Spotlight link in the UK. That shows you're established, taking this seriously. Anything like that. A picture sign-off is nice. It doesn't have to be as flashy as mine. In fact, mine's a bit over the top, isn't it? Sorry about that. I'll update it soon. Thirdly, create a video of your greatest hit show reel with a short, personal introduction from you in vision. Yes, video, not audio. Now, since I've been doing this hack, I have massively increased my own response rate from doing this. From about 50 emails sent out, I used to get about half reply and say, yeah, great, we'll put you on our books, or ask for more show reels or something. Using this video technique in your email, it's more like 40 out of 50. They click, they watch my show reel, they come back to me. Honestly, it's astonishingly effective and well worth the effort. So on my own video I use for cold emailing, I start with me introducing myself in the studio, shots of my booth, 10-15 seconds top, then straight into clips of TV ads with my voice on. Again, very short, a wide variety of styles, ending with a call to action to visit my website. Now, I know what you're saying, especially if you've just started off. I don't have TV ads with my voice on. No, but you've got audio show reels, haven't you? Examples of different styles where you're voicing maybe mock scripts. Which is fine, by the way. It's no problem at all having mock scripts. They only want to hear what your voice sounds like in different scenarios. Now, we're only talking seconds for each clip, so you find cheap or free relevant stock shots. You edit using a video editing program. And there are free ones there if you don't want to subscribe to Premiere Pro or whatever. If you're not that technical, you'll find a cheap Fiverr freelancer to do this for you. And then, once you got that, you upload it to a platform like Vimeo. Now, you can't actually fully embed any video on an email system. It won't work for reasons I won't bother going into now. But you can paste a picture and make it clickable to your show video. But let's go one step further and create an animated picture. GIFs. Remember GIFs when they were in fashion? played them to each other, didn't we? And they were only little half-second things, but you can make them longer now. And you simply put a play video graphic over it. You create a 5 or 6 second GIF in a loop. So let me show you how to do this in Vimeo. So here we are in Vimeo. Other video programs are available. And what you need to do is to create 2 videos. One is the one you're actually going to send them to, and one you've created with this symbol over to say, click me, I am a video. And that's the one you're going to make your animated GIF on, which will loop in the email and then entice people to click on it, because you'll have a link to go to the other video, the proper one. So I call this one GIF Video Dummy. So here in Vimeo, you click on Editing on the left-hand side, and then you click on GIF Maker, turn a clip from this video into a GIF, and create a GIF. And you're allowed up to 6 seconds, and you can slide along here to find the best bit that you want. I personally think it would intrigue them more to see me in my booth rather than any of these things, which will confuse them, maybe. But I don't know. I've chosen this bit, say, here. So there we are, in there at 3 seconds, out at 9 seconds. That's fine. So that's a 6 second GIF it's going to create. So you wait a few seconds and it creates the GIF, and you save it where you know you can find it. And then when you're in your email client, so you put your text up here and say you want your little video click button there, you simply go Insert Pictures, it won't say GIF, find the GIF and simply go Open, and then you can make it bigger or smaller, whatever. But the most important thing is to make sure that it's got a hyperlink on it. So with it selected, you go Insert at the top, obviously Link, and then put the link of the actual video. So there you go. You've got an eye-catching email hello introduction with a click me video loop where potential new clients can check out your superb flexible voice. All you need now is a list of some hot clients to send to. And if you've invested in my Voiceover Success program again, you'll already have the big list of hundreds and hundreds of international contacts who use freelance English-speaking voice artists regularly, plus a long list of all the free voiceover platforms that you'd be crazy not to be on, and the knowledge of how to find potential new clients that no one else will be able to find. What's that? Not on the Voiceover Success program? Tut, tut. Just click the link below to find out more, as well as a set of exclusive mentoring videos with advanced marketing techniques. You'll receive the big list, done for you effective email templates, demo scripts for voice acting work in various styles, and plenty of dummy scripts for your general narration showreels, again in many different styles. So click now and find out more, no obligation. That's voiceoversuccessprogram.com. Thanks for watching.